Quick side note, you guys, in my 8 years of being on YouTube, this is the very first time in my life I'm genuinely sleeping in a morning routine. Mel started this video while I was still asleep, and I just feel like that's kind of monumental. Back to the video.
So typically first thing in the morning, I like to go wash my face, put a little bit of water on my face, wake myself up a little bit, brush my teeth so I feel a little bit refreshed, go check on Vaughn. Very seldom do we wake up before Vaughn, so this is actually a little bit different for us. Typically we use Vaughn as our morning alarm clock.
At this point is usually the time that I get out of bed. You guys know mornings are not easy for me. It's so hard to get out of bed in the morning. So after I make my way to the bathroom, the first thing I do is obviously use the bathroom. Then I brush my teeth, and I recently got this toothbrush a few weeks ago from TAO Clean. This is their Umma Diamond Sonic toothbrush. I am so obsessed with this toothbrush, you guys. It makes my teeth feel so clean, and I love that it comes with this sanitation base, which I'll show you guys in a second. So the toothbrush has sonic technology, which helps to keep your smile nice and bright. So again, I feel such a good clean with this toothbrush. And then also it has 40,000 sonic brush strokes with 2 cleaning modes. It has super clean and sensitive clean. So if your teeth are more on the sensitive side, there is a more gentle option. I do it on the super clean because I like that feeling. Now, a personal reason I love this toothbrush is that it has a Saturn on it, and it also has that on its logo. And you guys know Saturn is really significant to us because Kayvon's name means Saturn in Farsi. So after I finished brushing my teeth, I placed it back in the UV sanitation base, and this base is so cool, you guys. It kills 99.9% of germs and viruses, and also it has a built-in dryer as well, which is such a nice touch. The toothbrush is also on a 2-minute timer, and it will pause every 30 seconds to let you know to move to a different area. And then the toothbrush comes with 1 brush head, but you can buy 3 brush replacement packs as well. You guys can get the TAO Clean Umma Diamond toothbrush with the bacteria and virus killing base for 62% off. So you guys can use my code Nazanin at checkout to get your discount. You guys get that discount when you buy 2 or more products, so make sure you guys check it out, link down below.
So this part of the routine typically comes down to who's the most willing to get out of the bed. Today, since I was up before Nas, it's me. So I come in, wake Vaughn up, open up the blinds, put some light in the room, give him some kisses because I missed him through the night. He's rubbing his eyes. He's still a little bit tired. Put him down, start changing his diaper. He always has a full diaper, whether it's pee or poop. It's always something in there to be changed. He hates getting his face washed, obviously. And like I said, he's still a little bit tired. And he has been brushing his teeth recently. He's really been getting a lot better at doing it himself, as you can see here. But then I have to step in and really make sure that his teeth get clean. Now he's running to the room to see mommy.
So once Mel finishes his morning routine, he always brings them back into the bed, and we have a little family cuddle sesh. And guys, Vaughn has gotten so much better at cuddling. You guys know we used to always complain that Vaughn never wanted to cuddle. And I guess now that he's older, he actually likes to cuddle and chill and watch TV with us. And we literally love this time, you guys. It's probably our favorite time of day, to be honest. And it's just so hard to get out of bed when we just want to cuddle him for hours and hours and hours. But obviously we have to get some food in his belly. But we just literally love this moment, you guys. Like, this time is our time, and it's just the best. At this point, I finally got out of bed, and then I see Mel give him a kiss attack, and I was like, wait, I want to do a kiss attack. And then I came back. So at this point, we'll put Vaughn in his playpen, and I'll finish up my morning routine or anything else that we need to do in our room before we take him down to eat breakfast. So we usually put on like Cocoa Melon or something and get whatever we need to do done. So I decided to take a shower this morning. I'm a night shower person. I take a shower every single night. Sometimes I'll take another one in the morning, and today was one of those days. So I just took some of my body wash. I shaved as well. I really need to shave because I was applying fake tan later. So by the way, that Trader Joe's shaving cream has been my new favorite. I can't believe it's from Trader Joe's and it's like so good.
So what this is called a derma roller, and I've been using this recently on my face. It has these small needles on it, and it tricks your skin into thinking that it's damaged, and then it pushes hair out of your pores. Yes, I am on the journey to growing a beard. I know you may not be able to tell, but there are a significant amount of hairs on my face than there were a couple months ago. The argan oil is also supposed to promote hair growth, so that's why I rub a little bit on my face and some on my hair. Then I'm coming in and get changed. Coming back out, I have on a little button up today. I have a meeting, so something slight. And when you look good, you have to smell good. Those are my 3 favorite right now. I ended up going with this one from this Italian brand. Got my 555 necklaces. Y'all know I wear this every day. I have a silver one and a gold one that I wear every single day. It's mandatory. And if you follow me on IG, this is how my daily good morning posts with Vaughn are made.
Big facts, big facts.
Meanwhile, after my shower, I just put on my robe. The robe is from Parachute Home, by the way. I love this robe so much. I just go ahead and make the bed. You guys know I try to make the bed every single morning. It's just immediately just starts my day on the right foot, and I love how clean the room looks, regardless of how messy everything else is when the bed is done. So you guys know I'm a perfectionist when it comes to the bed, and I just take my time making it. Usually takes me about like 5 minutes, and then I move on with the rest of my morning. I also like to get some more additional cleaning done in the morning if I have the time. So usually that entails laundry. So the night before I just did a load of towels. So here I am just folding them up. And again, every morning is different. So just depending on what we need to do. But typically my go-to in the morning is making the bed, laundry, and then also you guys are going to see I'm going to do the dishes, like put away the dishes that are in the dishwasher.
So breakfast duty, again, depends on our schedules. Today it's me. I have these meatless crumbles from Simple Truth. You can get them from Ralph's or Kroger. So I'm going to start with the meat crumbles, putting them in the pan with some oil till they brown up a little bit. Then I add in the egg. You know, I had to get a little cinematic shot for you guys. Scramble that up a little bit, add some cheese, a little pepper, a little bit of garlic salt, nothing too crazy. I got these apple cinnamon Eggos. These are fire. Vaughn loves them. I love them. They're fire. Recommend something simple because we're in a rush today. He loved it. Has to have his little ketchup or something to dip it in. Look at him. This boy loves to eat.
I then applied my fake tan because I was going to an event later today, and this is the Bondi Sands 1 hour tan. And then because I had tan on, I just went ahead and threw on this basic black dress from Naked Wardrobe just so it didn't get dirty or anything like that. So like Mal mentioned, this morning we had a meeting right away. By the way, here is the deodorant and perfume I've been using lately. I of course didn't apply it this day because again, I was applying a tan. You shouldn't apply those when your tan is developing. Then for makeup, I just put on some of this foundation, some mascara, and a little bit of lip balm. I've been loving these products. And there's my super simple makeup look. So again, guys, every morning is different. This was a rare occasion where we had a meeting this morning. Some mornings we'll just immediately get ready for work. Like I'll sit down on my laptop and work on some emails, and I'll review a video that he edited the night before. Or I'll go to Pilates in the morning, or Mel will go to the gym in the morning. Literally every morning is different. So that is it for our morning routine, you guys. We really hope y'all enjoyed. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe down below for more. And also don't forget to use my code Nazanin to get 62% off TAO Clean. So again, the link will be down below, and we'll see you guys for our next video. Bye, guys.